XRP holders, you are going to love what we've got for you here today, especially if you want to know what is coming in not months, not years, but days. Now, warning, if you're an XRP hater and you don't like listening to the data, the facts, and real alpha, you may not want to watch this video, because what we are about to put out in this video is very, very bullish. If you do like talking about both Ripple and XRP, type an X in the comment section, smash that like button, let's get into it. We've got a pullback here today. Let me know if anyone out there is building their bag, buying the dip here today, buying opportunity, right? As what is going on in this market? First off, what's going on? Outside of the typical talk of manipulation, Bitcoin whale selling and pulling the market back, what we have to understand, guys, is that the market right now is heavily still coupled with the stock market, and it won't always be that way even in the near term. And we're going to talk a little bit about what is coming with these institutions that are about to pile in a big way, specifically XRP. But today we know that the stock market is pulling back because of overvalued tech stocks. And here today CNBC wrote, Dow drops 500 points as sell-off continues, and quoted as saying the PNC, big bank PNC asset manager, put out, a lot of the market is underpinned by AI trade. Concerns about artificial intelligence trade have emerged more seriously this week, with the recent wipeout and once hot cloud stock Oracle further spooking investors about elevated tech valuations. So essentially, what does all this mean? Got overvalued tech stocks, which is considered more on the risky side of things in the stock market still. And it is coupled with cryptocurrency, which is considered technology risk on assets. And so as we see the pullback here today, temporarily, what is on the horizon for XRP? Because as XRP holders, that's what we ultimately care about. And we know that last night we had the numbers come in for Canary Capital, which were record breaking. This was the largest ETF launch of 2025. But it was a very small institution. And right now, those XRP haters are saying, well, Canary Capital sucks. It's not a big deal. It's who cares about Canary Capital? Guys, you know what is a big deal? You know what is a big deal? 1.5 trillion with a T, Franklin Templeton. Many of you have heard of Franklin Templeton, 1.5 trillion assets under management. They're about to go live with an XRP ETF. Now, I've got the data and the facts here, some alpha I want to put out on what this means in comparison as we take a look at the Canary Capital ETF, XRP ETF, and the